and today I'm here at Jurassic Quest, where dinos roam! I'm really excited because today I'm planning a dance party. Let's go check out the dance floor. Woo! Woo! Oh, and look who it is. It's Brock, the Brachiosaurus.
Hi, Blippi. I was practicing my dance moves.
Whoa, those are some great moves. Can I practice with you?
Of course.
Whoa! Dino Valley is shaking! Maybe it was from our cool dance moves.
I don't know, Blippi. I think it might be from this massive volcano next door. Whoa, whoa, volcano go kaboom!
Brock, what can you see? You see, Brock is a Brachiosaurus, which means he has a really, really long neck. So he can see over the rocks to see what's happening. Brock, do you see anything?
Blippi, yes. I see the volcano has erupted and the lava is coming for the clubhouse and the dance floor.
If the lava reaches the clubhouse, we won't be able to have our dino dance party. What are we going to do? We need to think of something fast. I know, let's move the clubhouse.
Great idea, Blippi. Here we go.
Whoa, good teamwork. Nothing can stop us now. Oh no, look! A lava rock! Now it's erupting with lava and lava rocks. We need to think of something else or else I won't be able to do the dino dance party for all the adorable animals of Dino Valley.
Wait a minute, Blippi. Did you just say adorable? Yes, I know. We'll know how to save the day by going to the Dino Valley legendary clue doors, of course.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot about the legendary clue doors of Dino Valley. Yeah, all we'll need to do to get to the doors is... Wait, actually, how do I get to the doors again?
I'll tell you, Blippi. You go across the lake, past the sleeping dino, and through the maze to reach the doors.
Well, there isn't time to think of anything else. I need to go. Bye, Bruce.
Okay, Blippi, I'll watch the clubhouse. Good luck.
Here we go. Woohoo! Whoa, look! I found the lake! Yeah! We need to cross it as soon as possible. But, it looks like it's too far to swim. Maybe we can use something to float across it. Oh, maybe we can use these crayons. Look! There's a green crayon, an orange crayon, and a purple crayon. I wonder what we could do to these 3 crayons to float across the lake. What if we use them to make a raft? All we need is a little bit of string. Here we go. Whoa! Check it out, we made a raft. Yeah, this is going to be perfect. Okay, here we go. We'll put the raft right there and I'll climb right on it. Here we go. Woo-hoo. We'll be across the lake in no time. We're not moving. Yeah, it looks like we're still stuck on this side because maybe we need an engine or an oar. If only there was someone or something that could help us get across the lake. Wait, I think I see something. Hi, Blippi. I'm Pearl the Plesiosaurus. Oh, hi, Pearl. Pearl is a plesiosaurus. Yeah, a prehistoric marine reptile. Yeah. Look, Pearl has really, really powerful fins that help her move super, super fast and allows her to pull things. Whoa. Oh, Pearl, can you help pull our raft across the lake? Oh, Blippi, I'd love to. Oh, here, let me put on this little collar. Okay, are you ready? Yeah, I'm ready to go across the lake. Uh-oh! Oh no! The volcano is shooting colorful shapes. Let's name each shape so Pearl doesn't bump into them. Yellow triangle. Blue circle. Green square. Here comes a red rectangle. We made it. Great job, Pearl. And thank you. Good luck, Blippi!
Haha, Blippi, well done, making it across the water.
Look. Snoring little T-Rex snores. All we need to do is sneak past to get into the Dino Safari vehicle, also known as an off-roader. When we step on each of these stickers, we need to quietly whisper the animal sound, or else a really loud noise will happen and wake up the T-Rex. First up, it's a cow. Do you know what sound a cow makes? Yeah, let's whisper it. No. Good job. Okay, let's go to the next animal. Whoa, it's a dinosaur. This one looks like a Parasaurolophus. Uh-oh, I forgot what sound it makes. Parasaurolophus, kind of sounds like parrot. Maybe it goes caw-caw, caw-caw. That's not right. Uh-oh, it makes it sound like this. Honk, 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 honk. Ah, that was too loud. Oh no. Okay, we need to be careful to not get another sticker wrong, or we're gonna wake up the T-Rex. This one has a picture of a T-Rex on it. Do you know what sound a T-Rex makes? Yeah, they roar. Let's roar like a T-Rex, but whisper it so we don't wake him up. Good job. Uh-oh, uh-oh. We roared quietly, but not quietly enough. The T-Rex is awake. Quickly, to the Dino Safari vehicle. Come on, Mini Blippi, the T-Rex is on your tail.
Hurry, Blippi! The fate of the Dino Dance Party rests on your suspenders.
We made it to the maze, but how do we get out of the maze? Oh, let's follow the arrows. Is this arrow pointing left or right? Right! Good job! Is this arrow pointing left or right? Right! Good job! Did you hear that? Whoa, it's Ty the T-Rex floating along. Well, actually, Ty is a Tyrannosaurus Rex, and he's swimming. Yeah! Oh, they can swim because of their powerful legs and tails. Let's get out of this maze. Left or right? Right! Good job. Yeah! We did it! We got out of the maze. The T-Rex! Hi, T-Rex!
Hi, Blippi!
Oh, hi! Ty the T-Rex!
I'm sorry if I scared you. You looked like you needed some help. I was trying to catch up to you.
That's okay. I'm sorry I woke you up from your nap. How did you get here so fast?
T-Rexes like me have good eyesight. I can see up to 5 miles away, even at night. So I used my super sight to spot a shortcut.
Let me guess. You jumped.
Good guess, but no. Our heads are too heavy. Doors are up ahead. Follow me.
Yeah! Thanks, Ty. Let's go. Check it out. We made it to Dino Valley's legendary clue doors. But there are no doorknobs. I don't know how to open the doors.
Rah, Blippi, the way you open the doors is by saying the color of the door.
Whoa! Thanks, Ty. Let's start with the first door. All we need to do is say red. It opened. There's an excavator. Yeah, reminds me of one of my favorite songs. I'm an excavator.
Blippi, wait, we need to keep looking for clues.
That's right, Ty. We don't have time for that. I'll have to save my singing for the dance party. Let's open the second door. It's the color blue. Whoa, check it out. It's a slide. Okay, the final door is the color yellow. Yeah, and inside is candy. I love candy. We have an excavator, a slide, and a whole lot of candy. I wonder how these 3 things are going to stop the lava. Well, maybe I can get inside the excavator If I'm operating the excavator, I could put some candy in the bucket and lift it to the slide. Whoa, it works!
Ah, Blippi, you can stop the lava with a big pile of candy.
That's right, Ty. Okay, if only there was a way to get all of these things over to the volcano. The excavator can't go over water, the slide is too big, and there are way too many pieces of candy to carry. We need help from our 3 Triceratops friends. Yeah! It's Topper, Sarah, and Terrence. Rah, rah, rah. Whoa! They can use the 3 horns on their head to throw all of these things back to the clubhouse. Let's go! Candy! There goes the slide! Woo! And now it's time for me to go on the excavator. Bye, Ty! I'll see you later. I gotta get back to the dance party!
Bye, Blippi. See you soon.
Look in the sky. It's a pterodactyl. It's a Quetzalcoatlus. It's a Blippi?
Brock, we made it back!
Oh, great job, Blippi. Will this help us stop the volcano?
Yeah! All we have to do is use the excavator to scoop up some candy to create a big candy pile at the bottom of the slide.
But Blippi, the lava keeps coming.
I don't think I can use the excavator to make a candy pile big enough to stop the lava. We need more help.
We need more dino friends.
Ooh, ooh. Look, here they come. Everybody's here.
I'll watch the clubhouse.
I'll aim the candy.
And the Triceratops can help toss the candy into the volcano. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Look at it go! Whoa! The candy put out the lava, which means it's time for our Dino Dance Party! Woohoo! Hit the music. Whoa! That was awesome! Yeah! The volcano! It's making noise! I think it's going to erupt!
Kaboom!
With confetti! Yeah! Aw, I had so much prehistoric fun today at Jurassic Quest. Yeah! We saved Dino Valley! And we even got to have our Dino Dance Party. Well, that's the end of this video. Can you spell my name with me? Okay, here we go. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job. Well, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Rah, 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 rah.